Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be reviewing how to do a one-pager assignment. And so as you can see, today we're going to be asking ourselves, why do we do one-pagers? Well, it's a great way to process what you have read, and it combines visual with text to make ideas come alive in your mind and memory. Some people might like to do a digital example, and so we might notice how the student includes images and words to show their thinking using digital format, creating their own visuals that way. Handwritten examples, we might notice that many ideas are represented, and the one-pager shows time and effort. So directions. A one-pager is a way to visually share key ideas and information from what you have learned. When you create a one-pager, you are trying to use both visual symbols and important words to clearly and concisely share your most important takeaways with someone else. For this one-pager, I provided you with a template. This is the template that will be used to grade your one-pager. So it must include the following things. If you want to pause and take a look and read and see the breakdown of each point. The middle section will include 3 important quotations and words or images that show significance of the setting. So just be aware of that at the bottom. But this is also in your assignment with the rubric. So these point values and what I'm looking for are the exact same in the rubric of what you're doing for your assignment. Here's a checklist that you can use to help ensure that you're on the right track. So you can ask yourself these various questions and then reflect on if you need help. So you can message me, or I know I could do this if I was working with someone. I know how to do this. I've learned it. Or I feel confident I could help a peer do this, meaning I know I can do it by myself. So let's take a look at a couple of examples. And these are all really good examples. And I just want you to notice how each student clearly took time and effort into making these one-pagers. These are ones that I would consider are great pieces of work. And these are the kind of exemplars that you're working towards to turn in your own one-pager for your novel. Lots of colorful illustration, lots of themes in the borders, great quotes being used, great illustrations. And you'll notice that every person is going to have different artistic abilities. So I'm not grading on if you're the most artistic person, but how creative are you? And how creative are you making your one pager and using color and text from the novel? Again, using lots of beautiful visualization, drawing illustrations. The student used a great way of using the border and also quotes. And then this student actually used a digital version. So they created their own digital copy of a one-pager. And so if you feel more comfortable doing it via technology and creating one-pager, those are all options for you. But just be thinking about these examples I showed you and knowing these are kind of the levels of expectation that I'm looking for in your one-pager assignment.